Faithful Navigator for Cardinal McIntyre Assembly 65, Sir Nance Seferino Pinto.
Thank you, worthy brother. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Thank you very much for coming to this 69th fundraising of the Assembly 65. Sir Knights, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 69th Annual Knights of Columbus Cardinal McIntyre Assembly 65 Past Faithful Navigator and Recognition Dinner, honoring immediate Past Faithful Navigator Florentino de Guzman. Give it a hand. We will be having lots of prizes, a 50-50 raffle later on. That ticket stub that you surrendered outside to my wife is only a control for payment. Okay, so that's not a raffle ticket. You still have to buy a raffle ticket. Okay, and that will be the one that will be drawn for the prizes. There will be $25 Amazon Target gift cards. So, and we have a special prize from our state treasurer. Thank you very much for that donation. Thank you. And enjoy the special evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now my pleasure to introduce our head table. To my left, we have our state treasurer, Vladimir Rivera. Soon to be our state deputy. His lovely wife, Monet. Oh, you know her, huh? And we also have here our past Faithful Navigator and current District Deputy, Polly Kamana. And his lovely wife, Nelia. And then we have here our District Deputy, Mario Ferrar. District Marshal, excuse me. You got demoted. And District Deputy Pablo Uola. To my right, we have the current Faithful Navigator, Seferino Pinto, who has his lovely wife Claudine working the ticket table over there. And we have here our scholarship honoree for tonight from Rancho San Antonio, Tyrus Boyes, and the counselor from Rancho San Antonio, Keith Weezer. And our honoree for this evening, our past Faithful Navigator, Florentino de Guzman. And his lovely wife, Teresa. Okay, we'll now have our dinner, which will be a buffet style. The head table will go first, and then we can kind of go in order throughout the room there. I know this is a difficult task to assign people there, so don't be upset if you come on up on that side of the room, okay? So please go up there and enjoy. We're having a buffet, Hawaiian style. Enjoy the meal. 14th in San Isidro, Nueva Ecija in the Philippines. So that means yesterday was his birthday. And I think it's only appropriate that we all sing him a happy birthday. So you ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Let's go for 39, huh? Okay, so Brother Flo is a parishioner in Our Lady of Peace. He's a member of the Our Lady Council 5007. He joined the Knights of Columbus on August 1st, 1974, where he got his first degree. And he earned his fourth degree on October 5th of 2013. He's served as the Grand Knight of Council 5007, and has worked as a district deputy and has held previous officer positions as well. And he currently serves with the Cardinal McIntyre Assembly Color Corps, who's out there for all of our call-outs. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time to hear from our guest of honor, past faithful navigator, Sir Knight, Florentino de Guzman.
Thank you, Brother Dennis. I have a short speech here, but I prepare because I don't trust my memory. Good evening. I thank God that I reached this occasion in my 75th birthday. I reached my 75th birthday. Thank you. I am deeply humbled and honored to serve as faithful navigator of Cardinal McIntyre Assembly 65, one of the oldest assembly in Southern California. I thank all my brothers for helping me and guiding me to do my task. Thank you, Brother Knights, from the bottom of my heart, especially those brothers that make this occasion happen. Thank you to all who are here, witnessing and participating in this occasion. And to my family, my wife Teresa, and my daughter Leah, who we came from New York just to attend this occasion.
Thank you.
My relatives and my friends, all of you are my friends. Thank you very much.
Just no more Diet Coke.
No more
Joy
Diet Coke.
and
This is
fun
good.
tonight.
Yep.
Viva Jesus!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the Sir Knight of the Year Award will now be presented by our past faithful navigator, Florentino de Guzman. And this is for the Sir Knight of the Year for the 2023-2024 Colombian year.
Thank you, Brother Dennis. Sir Knight Dennis. The Sir Knight of the Year is one of the highlights of this occasion. So, I will present a plaque to our Sir Knights of the Year. I know you know him. He is a member of Fatherly Healing Council 5007 at Our Lady of Peace Parish, North Hill, California. Has faithfully served the Knights of Columbus since joining the order in 2010. He is currently serving as State Treasurer for California Knights of Columbus, State Council, and past President of Southern California Chapter, year 2019-2020. And now, currently the Southern California Chapter Wheelchair Program Director as a new council development chairman in charge of forming new councils in Southern in California jurisdiction in 2021-2022. He He helped the California State Deputy achieve 325% of his new council goal. In 2020, at the height of COVID-19 lockdown, as SOCAD chapter president, and upon achieving his requested grant from the Archdiocese of Los Angeles, he ran and coordinated the joint Los Angeles Diocese Arts to serve initiative of Knights of Columbus, Leave Our Neighbors Behind. To deliver food, medicines, and groceries for the elderly, homebound and pregnant women. The program was later expanded to include families who are suffering because of the COVID lockdown. In one district alone, in Los Angeles area, the Knights made 41 deliveries to our suffering brothers and sisters. At the 115th State Convention in San Diego, he was recognized as a top district deputy of California Knights of Columbus for 2016-2017. As a district deputy formed Council 16584 at 84 at St. Catherine of Siena Church in Reseda. Council 16687 at St. Jane Francis. St. Jane Francis de Chantal in North Hollywood in year 2016-2017. Council 17904 in Incarnation Church in Glendale, 2021-2022, and as Southern California Chapter President, formed Council 17376 at St. Mel Church in Woodland Hills in 2019-2020. As a new Council Development Chairman, was instrumental in the formation of Core Marie Council 17951 at Our Lady of Grace Catholic Church in Encino. As a Grand Knight of Council 50007 in 2015-2016, he earned a Star Council Award, and as District Deputy 86, received 2-Star District Deputy Award for the year 2016-2017. He also received the Knight of the Year Award for the year 2018-2019 from Father Leahy Council 5007. As faithful navigator of Cardinal McIntyre Assembly, faithful in 2013-2014, he was awarded the District Masters Award for Excellence for Membership Growth and served as a Color Corps Commander in 2012-2013. He served the U.S. Army 3rd Armored Cavalry Regiment and was awarded the Army Achievement Medal for exemplary service and dedication to duty, and also served the 148th Aviation Regiment of the California National Guard. He is a graduate of U.S. Army North Commissioned Officers Academy at Fort Bliss, Texas, on leadership development courses, and also a graduate of the U.S. Army Aviation and Logistics School, Fort Eustis, Virginia, and was commander of his class. Brother, he is an active member of Our Lady of Peace Parish, a member of Life, Justice and Peace Committee, and a member of Filipino Ministry of Archdiocese of Los Angeles, serving the San Fernando Pastoral Region, and is active in community and past president of Los Angeles Cosmopolitan Lions Club, District 4L3. He is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering from Adamson University and retired from Phillips 66 Los Angeles Refinery as a pipe and instrument designer in Engineering Department. He is married to Monet Rivera and has two children, Francisca and Franz Toys. I'm honored to present to you my brother, Sir Knight, Vladimir Rivera. I have the honor to present the Sir Knight of the Year Award, year 2023-2024, to Sir Knight Vladimir Rivera in honor and with deep appreciation for distinguished and selfless service given to James Francis McIntyre, Assembly 65. Signed, Sir Knight Florentino de Guzman, BFF.
Please have a seat. Oh. Thank you, worthy bus navigator, Brother Paul de Guzman, to all my brothers of Assembly 65, Cardinal McIntyre Assembly. Thank you. And I'm humbled in this award. But as they say, it's so nice to receive something, especially from your own peers. My Assembly, Cardinal McIntyre, Assembly 65. So again, thank you. And to all my brothers, Sir Knights, let's keep on supporting our Assembly. I'm sure you will all agree that this Assembly, this is one of the busiest Assembly here in San Fernando Valley, and you will always see us on call-outs, church events. So help us support not only the Assembly but also the Knights of Columbus. Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations and celebration.
Thanks for that short speech there, Flo. Appreciate it. All kidding aside, you need to get busier. You know, it just seems like you don't do much. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we are now. Each year, the Cardinal McIntyre Assembly provides an annual $500 scholarship award to a student of Rancho San Antonio Boys Home. The Richard H. Bijou Memorial Award is named after our past faithful navigator, Sir Richard Bijou. He was the past faithful navigator for the 1986-87 Columbian year and also served on the board of Rancho San Antonio Boys Home. As you may already know, Rancho San Antonio was founded in 1933 by the Catholic Big Brothers. It is a place where thousands of young men have turned for help and guidance, providing an opportunity for rehabilitation through a balanced physical, social, spiritual, psychological, and educational experience. Since the 1950s, the Knights of Columbus have provided most of the funding for Rancho, and it was Cardinal McIntyre himself who called upon the Knights to help Rancho San Antonio. As Knights of Columbus, we are truly proud of this and will continue to assist Rancho in every way possible. Tonight, we honor a young man who represents what Rancho San Antonio is all about. I want to introduce one of the counselors of Rancho San Antonio, Keith Weisner, to come up and say a few words.
Thank you very much, Dennis. It's a real honor to come to this for about 15 years. And I'm so appreciative, Rancho is, of what the Knights of Columbus have done for Rancho over all these years. I've been there almost 30 years, and I worked very closely with the great brother John Crow. Some of you may have known him. For 64 years he was there. He just passed away 2 months ago. but we're still continuing his legacy, and we greatly appreciate it. I can't say enough. Thank you so much, and thank you for your time, because time is the most precious thing, and you're all giving up your time. Money's pretty good too, but thank you for your time.
So the recipient of the Richard H. Bashoon Memorial Award is Tyler Gorias. Tyler, please come up.
First off, thank you. I'm grateful for this. Thank you to Rancho for the opportunity they gave me. Thank you to the Brothers of Columbus for also the opportunity they gave me. So currently I'm a student at Pierce College. I just finished my first semester with a 3.5 GPA. And going into my second semester and finishing that up. And then my major is business, so we got big plans with that.
Thank you. So Tyler, I have your check for $500 presented to you on behalf of the Cardinal McIntyre Assembly. Okay, at this time I would like to have our faithful captain, Chris Macau, come up to the podium.
It is now time to recognize our past faithful navigators. I will now call the names of the past faithful navigators who are present. When I call your name, please come forward and form a line. S.K. Joseph Wilson. S.K. William. S.K. Vladi Rivera. S.K. Tony Florendo. S.K. Jojo Garcia. S.K. Mario Ferrer. S.K. Jan Camara. S.K. Julio Jimenez. S.K. Dennis Nodar. S.K. Severino Ginter. S.K. Joseph Wilson. S.K. Poli Kamana. S.K. Florentino de Guzman. Is there anybody that I missed? Please come up. Anybody? S.K. Pablo Oloa. you. Thank you.
Okay, I now call upon our faithful navigators of Reno Ginto to begin the 50-50 drawing and the gift card raffles.
If anybody wants to buy some more raffle tickets, we have them available here. So for now, I will just draw one for the gift card. Is there anybody who wants to buy some more raffle tickets? Noel or Annette back there? Do you want to buy a raffle ticket? Come on over here, come here. So we could recognize you. Come here. Brother Noel from Immaculate. Who else? Is there anybody else who wants to buy a raffle ticket? GK, $5. From our state treasurer, Vladdy Rivera.
Worthy Navigator, Brother June Ginto, Worthy Marshal, Mario Ferrer, past faithful navigators, worthy district deputies, worthy Grand Knights, worthy past Grand Knights, brothers and sisters in Christ, and Brother Knights, good evening. I bring greetings from our worthy State Deputy James Larson and the California State Council. I would like to congratulate our immediate past faithful navigator, Paul de Guzman, our honoree this evening for a successful fraternal year 2023-2024. And also let us remember one of our brothers, our former commander and past faithful navigator, David Garrett, who is no longer with us. And please keep him in our prayers. I thank you all for being here tonight and for supporting the Knights of Columbus. The Knights of Columbus, or the fourth degree, is also known as the patriotic degree, the highest degree in the Knights of Columbus. Please allow me to share a short history of the fourth degree. The Knights of Columbus was founded in 1882 by Blessed Michael McGinley. And during the first 18 years of its existence, the Knights of Columbus only had 3 degrees. The first, second, and third degree, which is the charity, unity, and fraternity. At the close of the century, it was decided to establish a degree representing patriotism, one which will be more selective in the appeal to the traditional first 3 degrees. The new degree or the new ritual was named as the fourth degree, and the first exemplification was held in New York in February 22nd, 1900. There were 1,400 or 1,400 members who were chosen to be the new fourth degree of the Knights of Columbus. The patriotic degree was exemplified for the first time in the state of California in the city of LA on June 10, 1905. 3 years later, the fourth degree or patriotic degree again was conferred in California, and it is in the city of San Francisco on May 10, 1908. Last February 22nd, 2025, the fourth degree celebrated its 100th or 125th anniversary. In general, the KFC or the Knights of Columbus, a Catholic fraternal order with 2.1 million members and 17 active councils around the world. Last Columbian year, the Knights volunteered 47 million hours for charity work. We also donate $190 million donated to those brothers and sisters that needs help. So, my brothers and to all our guests, we ask that you help us invite to bring in more new members to the Knights of Columbus. With more new members, we can do more of our Faith in Action program. We can do more to help our community and our brothers and sisters in need. And as our motto for this Columbian year, I will show you my faith through my works. And the Knights of Columbus has always shown their faith by helping, by doing their charity work. Thank you. Viva Jesús.
Thank you, worthy President Treasurer Lani. So at this point, while we're still counting the money, we're gonna have a cutting of cake at the back. So, Mrs. Florentino, can you do the honor of cutting the cake and maybe having them line up again to get their piece of cake? Okay, enjoy your cake first, and we will go right away with the raffles. Thank you. Music.